Morning, everyone. Today I'm presenting my project title, The Rise and Fall of the Social Network Platform, a case study of TikTok. TikTok, launched globally in 2018, has transformed social media with its short-form video and advanced recommendation algorithm. It seems explores growth, but now face the challenge like the competition and the market saturation. In this project, I used the mathematic model and empirical data to analyze TikTok's life circles about its growth, engagement, and potential decline, and offering the insights into the social network dynamic. To study the TikTok's life cycle, I used two key models. First, the logistic growth model predicts the user's growth, defined as the formula shown in the PowerPoint, and K is the initial user, and R is the growth rate. I added the decay term for the user attraction. Second, SIR model simulate the content virality with the equation tracking susceptible, engaged, and the inactive users. These were the coding in Python using two application and I run agent-based simulation with the Mesa to test use behavior under varying parameters like virality and churn rate. So for the data, I collected the engagement metrics from TikTok's public API using users growth stat from statistic and sensor tower and trending hashtag data will the web scraping with beautiful soup. I pre-processed this data using the pandas and fitting the model with the regression analysis, measuring accuracy with root mean square error. This ensured the model reflected the real-world trends. So we can see the figure in the PowerPoint. The figure shows the TikTok's user growth from 2018 to 2023 compared to the logistic model. With a carrying capacity of 1.5 billion, the model closely matched the data. Though the growth is low as TikTok near situation, this suggests that despite its quick rise, but TikTok users base is still stabilizing, impacted by market limit and competition from the platform like Instagram Reels. So in the second figures, as you can see in PowerPoint, it illustrates the SIR models simulation of our viral trends. For example, like the renegade challenge with the transmission rate beta equal to 0.3 and the recover rate gamma equal to 0.1. It captured the sharp rise and fall of the engagement. In another real-world data, like the Fitter Pasta Challenge, it hitting 600 million views in a month. Validate this pattern. And TikTok's algorithm amplifies these trends, driving a massive visibility for the user and the producer. So for the next figure, this figure compares the engagement rate in 2025. TikTok's average is 2.5% per post. Compared to Instagram, it only has 0.5%, and YouTube has lower than 0.5% to the other two. Why? The nano influence with 1,000 to 10,000 followers They also have the 11.97% engagement in TikTok. These all thanks to TikTok's algorithm favors relevance over the popularity. This highlight the TikTok's edge in interaction. In a conclusion, the logistic model shows the TikTok nearing saturation and 1.5 billion users, while the SIR model confirms the strong virality but flat risk from chart and competition. The algorithms focus on the engagement may lead to the user fatigue over the time. These finding the mirror broad social media trends. For the future roles, exploring the content diversity or retention strategy could help the TikTok's more success. These are the opinions of myself. So today's presentation is finished. Thank you.